Alright, so we're back upstairs. So I took up all the parts that I did take off the bike, and I did clean them up. So all I did is I put some warm water in a old tin pan and sprayed a whole bunch of spray nine. Hi, yes. Spray nine off of the onto the parts, and I gave it a little scrub just with a little what are they called, like the scrubby pads here. I'll get it so it's not going to drop a whole bunch of liquid. This green thing, scrubby pad. And then I also did, because there's a few really tiny spots, I used a brush that you can get with reusable straws to clean them. So I use that in the liquid. So this is what the parts look like. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to throw them in a bucket. I have a massive bucket of Evaporust. It's a great product. I used it for the initial portion of my gas tank for the 450. And it seemed to do a really good job. I got the bulk of the stuff out of the gas tank anyways before I did that Pour 15 gas tank resealer. But back onto these parts. I'll show you what the parts look like, and then I'm going to give it a couple days, maybe half a week, and then I will pull them out and we'll see what they look like. And yeah, so anyways, here are the parts. Rusty. I did try and clean it off with the wire wheel first, and then I realized how much grease and gunk was on there, so I bailed on that and cleaned off all that stuff. So what I'll do is tomorrow I'll do a quick little video, just I'll pull it out of the bucket and see how much rust has come off since then. And yeah, anyways, I will post another video with this shortly of the exhaust, because the exhaust is pretty rusty, at least on the inside portion. Maybe I'll just walk over there right now. Yeah. There we are. So, here we've got the exhaust. This is the inside of it. But as you can see, it's pretty pitted and rusty. But I will be happy if I can remove at least some of that and try and get it at least a little bit shinier than what it is. Even though really, in the grand scheme of things, people aren't going to see the inside, so it's just a me thing. Yes. This is the cat. She's afraid of people. Yeah. Yeah. And she likes to have conversations. Anyways, so I will get all this stuff uploaded. I'm running out of room on the memory card. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.